Perfectionism versus excellence. Perfectionist ka ba? Ito yung tipong hindi ka maka-launch, hindi ka maka-publish, hindi ka makagawa ng content, hindi ka makasubmit ng project kasi gusto mo perfect. Kung hindi siya perfect, huwag na lang. And a lot of people would mistake excellence with perfectionism. Perfectionism can be ruled by fear. Fear of criticism, fear of letting down others, the fear of failing. Pero yung excellence naman, iba yun. Excellence is about giving your best. Excellence is about optimizing your work. Excellence rejects the idea yung pwede na. Excellence is about pwede pa. Yung perfectionism kasi is wag na lang mapapahiya tayo. Excellence has room for improvement while perfectionism has none. Kasi perfect na, di ba? My recommendation is to strive for excellence. Kung ano yung kaya mong ibigay ngayon, ibigay na buong buo. Kasi kung nagsisimula ka pa naman, paano maging perfect yan? You're still learning the ropes. Kasi excellence leads you to continuous improvement. And in fact, if you strive for excellence, you might even surpass your idea of perfect. Kasi tuloy-tuloy lang ang pagpapaganda at pagpapabuti. Kaya huwag kang maging perfectionist, maging excellent.